Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain the live workshops session plan for the Wordpandit VARC course. These are a series of workshops that I'll conduct for all topics in the course, all verbal ability and reasoning topics, and we'll cover everything with respect to RCs, parajumbles, parasummary, everything, each and everything would be covered in these workshops. These are workshops that are held after our regular classes, so we'll be covering a series of topics through these. Some of these would run concurrently with our regular live concept classes as well. What exactly is the session plan for these live workshops? These are divided into different categories and topics like our session plan, right? These are also divided along the lines of topics, as well as there are some marathon sessions. What these are, let's dig right into these 6 different types of workshops. The marathon sessions are full day practice sessions. We conduct them on Sundays, so you practice particular topics. It's basically RC stress testing, reasoning stress testing, CR stress testing, back-to-back questions, live analysis for those particular topics. So these are full day sessions. So you compete with others. It gives you a sense of competition, and along with that competition that it generates these 6 RC sessions, there's also going to be live analysis. So all the doubts are going to be covered right there. Then also you've got a couple of reasoning marathons, critical reasoning marathons. So that's how marathons run. Then you've got specific workshops on all the different question types. So we will be covering all the different question types through these workshops. Remember, these question types are also covered in our concept classes. So this is additional practice for particular question types. Then all the verbal reasoning topics, all critical reasoning practice workshops, FIJs, everything covered in miscellaneous reasoning topics, all probable topics in the world that can possibly appear. Then general miscellaneous workshops, so topics such as figures of speech, these are present in some exams, right? So you've got to be ready for these as well. Then a couple of generic sessions on understanding sentence structures, facts, opinions, analysis, tricks and tips for VARC questions, very useful for all exams, specifically for CAT and ZAT. A couple of workshops on confusing word pairs, and then you've got grammar practice sessions and ZAT decision making classes. Some of these sessions, so for example, the ZAT decision making classes, these would be held before ZAT, right? And grammar sessions, these practice sessions would be held before, say, an exam such as SNAP, to account for practice for these particular exams. So that's how we are going to go about our workshops for this year. That's the plan with respect to live workshops. So lots of live classes, lots of live workshops. So it's a full session plan with lots and lots of live sessions and interaction. Essentially, you meet with your trainer and mentor, that is me, on a daily basis, and through this interaction you try to learn as much as you can. Hopefully so. The session plan is completely clear to you now. Through this video, you've understood what this is all about. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.